Hi everyone, welcome back to our PictoBlox series. Today, we're going to make a fun clicker game using a balloon sprite. Every time you click the balloon, your score increases. Let's get started. First, choose the balloon sprite. Now go to the stage and select backdrop. Now add this script step by step. When green flag clicked forever, go to random position. Now you can see the balloon is moving to random position very fast. To make it slow, add a delay so use. Wait 1 seconds into the forever loop. Step 2. Create a score variable. Go to variables and make a new variable called score. This will track the number of times we click the balloon. Then add the code to change the score by 1. That is when this sprite click change score by 1. And add set score to 0 after when flag clicked. Now let's add a level up. Select blue sky from the backdrop. Let's code for it. When green flag clicked forever, if score equals 5, then switch backdrop to blue sky 2. Since it will affect our first background, just fix the first background as stars in when flag clicked. That is, add switch backdrop to stars after when flag clicked. Let's make the balloon more colorful. Add change color effect by 25 inside the forever loop for the movement of balloon. This makes the balloon move randomly and change color every second. Now let's add a winning backdrop. When score is becoming 10, let's change the backdrop to win, so let's make a backdrop. Go to backdrops, duplicate the blue sky or add a backdrop and then add text. You won. And change the backdrop name to win so we can identify it from the coding side. Then make changes in code. When score equal to 10, switch backdrop to win. And after that every script have to stop, so let's give a stop all block also into its. Now let's try to play our game. Now on the stage, change the backdrops when the score reaches 5 and 10. At score 10, the game ends with a win screen. That's it. You've made a complete clicker game in Scratch. Try clicking as fast as you can. Don't forget to like and share. See you in the next video. Happy coding!